C was created at Bell Labs in the early 1970s by Dennis Ritchie. C is one of the most influential programming languages ever made. It was designed to build operating systems, and it still powers everything from Windows and Linux components to embedded devices and microcontrollers. C gives programmers direct access to a computer's memory, making it incredibly fast and efficient. That same level of control also makes it much easier to introduce bugs, especially memory-related ones. Compared with most modern languages, C has a steeper learning curve, but many newer languages have borrowed ideas directly from it. C++. C++ began as an extension of C in the 1980s, when Bjarne Stroustrup wanted to make large software projects easier to manage. It kept C's speed while adding object-oriented programming and many other powerful features. Today, C++ is widely used for game engines, graphics software, web browsers, and high-performance applications where speed is critical. The language is extremely flexible, but that flexibility comes with complexity. Beginners often find its syntax overwhelming, and even experienced developers can spend years mastering its advanced features. Compared with C, it offers far more tools, though it also demands much more from the programmer. Java. Java was introduced by Sun Microsystems in 1995 with the goal of letting software run on almost any computer without major changes. That idea became famous through the phrase, "write once, run anywhere." Instead of compiling directly to machine code, Java runs through the Java virtual machine, allowing the same program to work across different operating systems. It became one of the world's most popular languages for business software and Android development for many years. While Java is known for its reliability and portability, it generally uses more memory than languages like C or C++. And some developers find its syntax more verbose than newer alternatives. Python. Python was created by Guido van Rossum and officially released in 1991. Unlike languages that prioritize raw performance, Python focuses on readability and simplicity. Its clean syntax allows beginners to write useful programs with relatively little code, which is one reason it has become the world's most popular language for learning programming. Beyond education, Python dominates fields like artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, and data science. The trade-off is speed. Python programs usually run much slower than software written in C or C++, making it less suitable for performance-intensive applications. JavaScript. Despite its name, JavaScript has almost nothing to do with Java. It was created in just 10 days in 1995 by Brendan Eich to make websites interactive. Before JavaScript, most web pages were static and could do very little beyond displaying text and images. Today, nearly every modern website relies on JavaScript to handle animations, menus, forms, videos, and interactive content. It has also expanded beyond browsers, allowing developers to build servers, desktop applications, and even mobile apps. One downside is that JavaScript has accumulated many quirks over the years for the sake of backward compatibility, which can sometimes make its behavior confusing compared with newer languages. C#. C#, pronounced C#, was introduced by Microsoft in 2000 as part of its .NET platform. It combines ideas from both C++ and Java while aiming to be easier and safer to use. C# has become a major language for Windows applications, enterprise software, and game development through the Unity game engine. It offers excellent tools, automatic memory management, and a clean design that helps developers build large projects more efficiently. However, it has traditionally been most closely associated with Microsoft's ecosystem, although recent versions have become much more cross-platform than they once were. Go, often called Golang, was developed at Google and released in 2009. Google created it because existing languages were becoming increasingly difficult to manage as software projects grew larger. Go emphasizes simplicity, fast compilation, and built-in support for handling many tasks simultaneously, making it especially popular for cloud services, networking software, and modern web servers. Its straightforward design helps teams write clean and maintainable code. On the other hand, Go intentionally leaves out many advanced language features found in C++ or Java, which some experienced programmers see as limiting. Swift. Swift was introduced by Apple in 2014 to replace Objective-C for developing apps across its ecosystem. It powers many applications on iPhones, iPads, Macs, Apple Watches, and Apple TVs. Swift was designed to be fast, modern, and safer than its predecessor, with syntax that is generally easier to read and write. Developers can build powerful apps while avoiding many common programming errors. Its biggest limitation is that it remains heavily focused on Apple's platforms. Although Swift can be used elsewhere, it has nowhere near the same level of adoption outside Apple's ecosystem as languages like Python or Java.